What happened?
So usually this is like this, and that. They silicone this.
Bruh.
You can see it. Little holes. Oscar, they silicone the fucking shifter boot. I'm right here prying it off.
Oscar. Yes, sir.
I never had these. Cool. I wonder how the f they did this. I don't think they took this off. I wonder if they took it off from here.
And then just dropped it.
I don't want to touch this because it has to be a low boy.
God damn. Yeah, you saw that flex? Yeah. Oh, the foot was strong, huh?
You just got those. Oh.
God damn.
What? I mean, this is in backyard mechanic here. Nah, that one is going right.
That shit gave me a concussion.
Hey, with a game.
And we, oh my God!
Oh Lord, man!
Damn, bro, you don't want to give me a concussion.
Yeah, dude.
It's like this.
Yeah. Because when this one pulled it out from that side, she went, boom. There. Exhaust fixed.
Shit ain't going nowhere now.
We fixed the exhaust.
Look.
Yeah?
Will, do you remember these leak, huh? As soon as we disconnect the breaker?
I want to say yes. It's a symptom, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, it pisses when you pull.
And then all this is you think we can angle it out.
Eat.
It's a box far.
It's the box one. The trace or transbolts. Javi Picasso. Where's my knife at? Yeah, my knife?
Here.
Knife? Sure these are open. I'm gonna cut myself.
Bro, that shit not even on. Look at the tranny bolt. Ain't even on no boy.
No way.
The bolt was looking for the Lord.
Wow.
It's crazy.
Alright, shifters. Alright, we're touching again. Am I gonna pull? Down? Yeah. Oh boy? You good?
Yeah.
Go. This is easy.
There's a gear. Teeth on it. But we won't know until we take the clutch off. Because
it hits these little indents, and that counts. Like over here is like 6 of them, and then nothing. One. There's like a blank spot in between. There's a blank spot here. Basically, I was just waiting for you guys to pull the trans out, so that way it's not crazy weight or something.
20 minutes later.
When there's the dial pin is missing, then you're gonna line that dot up with the crank. And once the dot doesn't line up with the crank, it doesn't know how to count these teeth of how fast the car is running or how it's spinning.
Is it because the JDM engine doesn't have the crank position sensor?
No, it does. I don't think he lined the dial right.
So it's
That's why I got no spark.
so it's a similar situation to the
Yes. But hers, I think, is one of these might be chipped. And that's causing the misfiring on the floor. See? Chip. Nothing. Unless there's a chip somewhere that's indented.
Oh, what?
Oh, that's a leaking.
the DFC.
Because these all look the same, and then this one looks different.
Was that pup?
It was on the lease.
Let's notice that. Coolant is in there as well. So, just in case you can't see it from the backside.
We have inserted the keyhole.
The day has came. We did find out that the transmission Clyde wheel was incorrectly installed by the previous, no, not the previous, the owner of the vehicle. Oh man. Moment of truth. Part, what is this?
2.
No, it's not.
Oh.
It's like 4th, 10th,
Yeah.
10th.
Well, let's try.
Huh?
It's gonna be loud as
Can't be loud as John's car. I'm gonna just pump it one more time because it took a while for that.
Big dubs. Big dubs in the chat.
And just like that, guys, going home. Finally.
The next day.
Got in. And we see a contraption, sir?
So we gotta put the
Shampoo
shampoo into the diff.
into the div.
So the trans.
Oh, look, we figured out the technique.
Go for it. Only on Tuesday we're sending cars home. It's a good thing. 3 cars going home, 1 already left. Nice. Start of a great week. It killed the battery. It never charged it. I don't know. You gotta see a voltmeter on the battery to see what the alternator is doing. Start it, just start it. He's also using the JDM one, not his. Let me call him. Unless he wants to do it himself, but
It runs.
it runs. Like that, she's going home, Bobby.